budget-friendly gaming headset na sulit talaga. Maganda yung mic, may 7.1 surround sound, and sobrang comfortable kahit long gaming session. This is the Fafine H9 gaming headset, and isa to sa mga sulit na gaming headset for its price. Una, maganda yung quality ng mic niya, kaya mas clear ka maririnig ng teammates mo during comms, which makes communication way better, especially sa ranked games. It features 50mm dynamic drivers, kaya solid yung sound quality. And hindi lang for gaming, pati music, movies, and entertainment, maganda rin yung audio output niya. Meron din tong included na sound card para ma-enable mo yung 7.1 surround sound features niya para mas accurate yung footsteps and directional audio, kaya malaking tulong to lalo na sa mga FPS games. Pwede mo rin dito makontrol yung headset volume and yung mic volume. Plus may dedicated mute button na rin for convenience. Another thing I like here is yung detachable condenser mic. So pwede mo siyang tanggalin kapag hindi mo kailangan. And ito yung sample ng sound quality niya. Mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3, and ito yung sound nitong gaming headset ni Fifine, the H9 gaming headset. For connectivity, pwede siya via 3.5mm TRRS or USB-A kapag gagamitin mo yung sound card. Lightweight din tong headset na to, kaya very comfortable siyang isuot kahit matagal kang naglalaro. Malambot na rin yung airfoam niya, kaya hindi siya masakit sa tenga. Adjustable na rin yung headset band para swak sa preference mo. Kaya kung naghanap ka ng gaming headset na maganda yung sound quality, clear yung mic, comfortable gamitin, and budget friendly, itong Fafine H9 gaming headset yung marirecommend ko sa'yo. So if you're interested,